Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the watch. Remove the strap and place the case face down on a soft pad to prevent scratches. Once done, open the case back. Many watches use snap, screw, or 6-lug backs, so match the tool to avoid damage. Now find the stem release. It's usually a tiny screw, recessed button, or lever on the movement near the winding stem. Use a 1.520 mm screwdriver or thin pin and steady light. Make an intentional, minimal movement to avoid. With the crown in the correct position, usually pushed in or at the time-set position, apply steady pressure to the release. You depress the tiny button or loosen the release screw only enough to free the stem. If it resists, stop and recheck alignment. Then, using fine tweezers or crown puller, pull the crown and stem straight out, not at an angle, to protect the setting lever. Keep one finger stabilizing the movement plate so gears and levers remain seated during extraction. After extraction, examine the stem end, clutch, and setting lever for bends, burrs, or dirt. This explains many failures. If the stem is stuck, do not force it. Instead, loosen the release a fraction, apply a drop of light oil to the joint, wait a minute and try again. If still stuck, stop to avoid damage and seek professional help. Once ready, store the stem safely or reinsert by aligning straight, pushing gently while holding the release, and test winding and setting functions immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.